Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we will be working on this pine chest of drawer, trying to bring more character to it.
We don't have a plan, we don't know what we are going to do with it. It's just a super duper go with the flow project. So let's get into it and find out. Let's do it!
I sanded the top of the piece with 80 grit first, as we wanted to remove the old varnish, all scratches, so then we can apply a darker shade of varnish. I smoothed out the wood with 320 grit, and let's clean the piece well with white lightning. Dixie Belle Furniture Cleaner. Always clean your pieces prior to painting. I started preparing the texture mixture by combining black and also sea spray, which is a texture additive. First, I added a scoop and then I added more, but little by little, until I got a medium texture. Afterwards, I did the same mixture, but I used Bunker Hill Blue from Dixie Belle. I first made a line with the paint so I know where to apply the Bunker Hill Blue. I used a cheap brush and I started to apply the texture following that line. Then I applied the black texture on the rest of the piece.
Let it dry for a few hours and now let's apply the second coat. I applied some caviar over the texture as there were some spots uncovered, and really I just applied the paint in each direction, doesn't matter. It's even better because it will create another layer of interesting texture. Then I applied some Bunker Hill Blue so I can blend it with the caviar using mostly horizontal motions. I blended in some Pure Ocean and then Mermaid Tail just to bring color variety and trying to copy the sky colors. They will create some nice light patches. Now I look at the piece and I said now or never. I wanted for a long time to paint like a female or male figure on one of the pieces, but I don't know, just never tried before. And I said, let's just do it now. I actually draw some portraits, but I was holding the paper over the computer and then I was just working on the shadows, which is fine too, but you know, I never just tried freehand painting. Just go for it. And definitely I have never painted a human body before. So this was a big challenge. Anyway, I obviously look at several YouTube tutorials on how to paint a female figure, and I found this really helpful tutorial by Vered, a really talented lady. Her channel is called Easy Paintings Vered. I will link her channel in the description box if you are interested. Anyway, she was working with black and white and I really wanted to have like a colorful painting, so I chose amethyst, peony and flamingo. The amethyst is my darkest color and I will use it for shadows. Peony is my mid-tone and flamingo is the lightest one and I will use it for highlights. I didn't know what to do with her head, but then I got an idea to apply a transfer. So first I sanded the area where I wanted to apply the transfer so I can easily do it. And then I applied the flower child transfer. I applied some horns, and then I applied the flowers and rubbed them with the stick provided. But at the end, I sanded the horns and then just created some shadows around the flowers with caviar. Afterwards, I took a brush and a small amount of paint and I started doing white sprinkles all over the blue area. They are like stars wannabe.
I applied voodoo gel stain in Tobacco Road with a paint roller, and I also used the water sprayer so I can move the stain easily and evenly. I really love how easy it's to apply it with this roller. I sealed the piece with 3 layers of flat clear coat, letting each one to dry for about 2 hours in between.
And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, or it just inspired you in any way. And if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more furniture tutorials. See you next time. Bye!